AlphaQ windows are the world's first rail-assembled modular system windows. The performance of the windows has been dramatically improved through patented technology, in which the window is installed first and the rail is inserted later. The windows and frames fit together, minimizing gaps for maximum airtightness. By overcoming the structural limitations of conventional sliding windows, which inevitably cause gaps, AlphaQ windows provide superior insulation, soundproofing, and energy efficiency. Furthermore, the triple glass made with genuine glass from LX Glass enhances insulation performance, achieving an energy consumption efficiency rating of 1. AlphaQ windows are the most rational choice, redefining the standards of the window industry.